So if I open this up, what you'll see is every component is individually beautifully wrapped, okay? So if we start off, clear stamps, right? Do you know, it's even better this if you are gifting it.
It's like a series of mini gifts, isn't it?
Oh, it is. I feel a little bit guilty actually, just ripping all the paper off, but I want you to see everything. So, the clear stamps, okay? These are the stamps that you're going to be working with, and they are mainly the sentiments that you're going to need to finish off a lot of your cards. So, for example, I'm going to be showing you later how we do, you know, this twisted one. You've got the stamps on here to finish this off, as well as all the stamps that go down here. So, loads of stamps to be able to finish all of that off. So, we've got stamps in there, right? Then you've got the dies that go with it. So when I open up the dies, these are the Decorative Duo die. So you get two sets. You get the one that is this lovely here. So this is actually that gorgeous tree. And then the tree itself, you can use and either have the love inside, or you've got the word for family. And I'm going to teach you how to use both of these. So you've got love and family that are interchangeable. This is brilliant, used as like a little shaker card on there. So you get the love and family in the tree, but then you've also got the one with the balloons on, which is when you can be doing birthday wishes, or that one's being used over top of the tree with the thinking of you as well. So you can interchange birthday wishes and thinking of you. So there's our dies. So that really is learning, those are your conceptual bits. The rest are all about decorating it.
And what would you pay just for the dies on their own? I mean, you take that off the cost of the box, and the dies and the stamps you've got easily covered, haven't you? Box.
How I look at it is dies and stamp are going to cover the cost of the box. Everything else is now a nice bonus, okay? So I know you guys all love your dewdrops. So if we get into this, it's really exciting being able to open each one. You get the whole packet of dewdrops. You are also getting the assorted gems in here, which you will see everything works together. So the dewdrops, the beautiful bright gems, notice the bold colours that we've gone because of the time of year that we're working at. And then you've also got the fabulous ribbons. And again, all those ribbons individually packaged, so you've got these beautiful ribbons to kind of work with. So these are going to work with this, going to work with the dewdrops, okay? Then we get, now you've got envelopes. Let's open the printed paper first. I like you to see all the pattern papers. And you'll see, you know, you can tell we're getting into spring now as we get into some of those amazing springtime designs. These are the papers that you're going to be getting within this box. Look at how bright and vibrant all of these designs are in there, Joe, okay? So you've got the beautiful papers. Then if I bring out the coloured card, which is designed to match, all of this in your 8x8 size as well. Look how much we've got of it. Loads of that beautiful coloured card in exactly the right colour palette to work back to all those colours in your beautiful papers. Then we've got card blanks and envelopes, okay? So if you start with the blanks first, look how many we've got. So you've got 3 different sizes of base card blanks, and I'm going to be using these to teach you how to do things like your twisted easels. So it's not just about regular card folding, twisted easels. We're going to do things like your fold back cards with these as well. In the cards that I'm going to be teaching you, everything is using just what's in the kit. And then last, but definitely by no means least, we've already given you an envelope for every one of these. So when you add up, you've got the envelopes, you've got the cards, you've got the pattern papers, you've got the coloured papers in there, we've got the embellishments and the ribbons to go with. All of that is on top of the concept die and the matching stamp set. So this is what, to me, it's all about. To buy those 2 die sets, you'd be talking £12.95 per set of dies. So actually, scrap what I said, just the dies alone would be the value of the whole kit. Then you've got the stamps and all the accessories to go and make all of those beautiful cards.